Guys, I hope you guys liked our do-it-yourself series so far in the M5. Love the changes you guys are actually seeing, which is so cool. So we're changing it around. We're not doing the M5. We're doing something with the GTR. We're changing one of the reverse lights in the GTR. I think it's this guy is out, right?
Yeah. That
guy is out. So we're gonna change it. Thank you to Peter at Next Mod for hooking us with this. Two of these bad boys for, what was it, 40 bucks? 40 bucks. And Princess Auto, our place, we're charging $30.
One for 30.
$30. Yo, fuck yourself. Thank you, Peter. You're amazing. And yeah, we got some. We got the homie over here. Make sure you check out, what's your Instagram page again?
Amazing_cars.
On Instagram, he has 2.1 million followers, and he's one of the homies. Another guy that does the same hustle like me, but he did a little smarter resources. He didn't buy cars. He bought a fucking big ass house, so a little smarter. That he has a Supra that's coming up along the way, and he also has a Lancer, and hopefully we got some new future toys coming along the way. So we're gonna deal with this. And oh, wait a second. I'll put his Instagram account right here, somewhere around here. So you guys check him out. Whatever, guys. So we're gonna do this on the GTR. First, we're gonna unlock it. Secret compartment there. Pop it out. Before I did this recording, I tried it did myself. I didn't watch no YouTube videos, so I already knew what I had to do from installing previous stuff on the GTR. So you want to get in here a little bit, Dujin? It's kind of a little bad area, but we have these clips that are here. There's 5 of them. I only have 4 of them. Go figure. And you just have to pretty much yank them out. I'm going to show you guys one. Maybe this side would be better. If I can pop it in, we'll pop this guy in. No, we fucked up. We fucked up. This light. Oh yeah, I don't know. Staff. It's too late. But yeah, I fucked up with that one. That one's locked. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah, I fucked up, guys. Okay, whatever. Those clips have to be taken out. It's not a big deal. Just take them out. Common sense. Don't break them. Probably like $100 GTR tax. So, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take off this shield. It's pretty much like a little clip off, take off. We'll take it out of the vehicle, place it. This side's so a little dirty up the other side. You know, a short gang, you know? Shots, man. And then we have some pieces. That's supposed to be on my spoiler. Yeah, this is the side of GTR, pretty much a JDM spec. But so this is really easy. Maybe we switch to the other side because remember, watch it. You break that, you buy it. This is so easy. We're gonna take off this. Take off this little. I don't know what it is exactly. We're gonna turn and pull out like your girlfriend, and then we're gonna get the new ones. I'm actually gonna install both of them. Might as well. Looks so much cooler. Holy fuck! Holy fuck! Look at the difference, guys. The shitty $6 one we got, or the $30 one. So we're gonna be bright as fuck.
The other one was LED, right?
Yeah.
Who knows what? I don't know what the other one is.
Holy fuck! This can't even get in there.
It's always hard at first, Brian. You just gotta persevere.
Oh, there, right. The wire. One of the wires were connected to a little right there. Let's see if we get to stick it in. First go. Oh, it's so deep.
Is it? Is it really?
What was that? Herb doom. Okay, so that side is done. Actually, I didn't fix one of the wires. I just want to put it back properly. So, so we can do it next time. It's a fucking cobweb. Mayo, get up with me car, fam. I don't want even walk in there. Once everything works, I'm happy. So we'll put that back there. There's also a little screw there, not taken off. Fucking Billy Batista. Let's switch around so you can see this side. This side's pretty much easier, same way. Watch, guys. Pop it out. We're gonna turn to the side, probably the other direction. Oh my god, my fucking fingers. This hand's retarded. Yeah, there he goes. Unclip the little bottom piece, take out this piece, slap in that piece in the correct way, or I don't know if that has a proper way of going in here. Stick it in a hole, like, you know, like your first girlfriend or boyfriend. I don't discriminate. You guys, I love you guys all. I'm gonna twist. Oh, I don't know if it's in there yet. Come on, baby, put it in me. Come on, daddy. What the flying fuck? I'm having a hard time with this side because no, it's not in there.
Just fingering.
Yeah.
Cool. Penguin Godzilla.
Exactly. I'm gonna cut my fucking fingers up. Okay guys, pretty much I got it in there. So we're gonna finish with the rest of the installation and we're gonna show you the new lights. So stay tuned for that. I hope they're not so bright compared to the other reverse lights, but we'll find out soon. Okay guys? Okay guys, so now that we got the whole housing back on here, we're gonna see how these lights do look, because they look very nice. The GTR is mad dirty, so don't diss me in the comments. But anyways, Dujin, since you get to see everything first, you get here. Yeah, you close it. Start the GTR and put in reverse, but don't go anywhere obviously because the M5 is right here.
Yes, sir. Marvin, sir.
No, don't call me sir, man. We're buddies, buddy.
Yes, friend.
Yeah. A friend in need is a friend with weed. Alright guys, check how this looks. Wow, they look so much better. Wow. It's so much brighter. It's so cool. We should have a comparison with other ones, but literally this puts the brightening in. This is worth the $30, and it actually makes the lights look, these lights look so much brighter. Look like they're the new LED style lights for the GTR, but not with the rings, but the newer style ones. But this looks so fucking sick. All right, bro, you can put it back. You can put it in the thing. Put it in park, but don't turn it off. I was gonna put it back in there. But yeah, guys. So that is it. Though, how you? I'm gonna bust your ass, yo. Cause not, I have a sweet little old lady next door, and she just really had a heart problem, so I don't really gonna fuck with her shit. So I always do stuff off the road. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed our do-yourself GTR tail light or reverse tail light removal and installation too. So if you guys like that, smash the button today. And let's see, what is the question of the day? Yeah, what's the question of the day? Yeah, what's the question of the day?
What do you guys like better when we do how-to videos on the M5 or the GTR?
So, for do-yourself videos, which ones you prefer more? The GTR or the M5? Because we got two of these vehicles, and we're gonna start doing more things. Nah, never. That the Flying Spur is coming back soon, guys, but I don't know when. And we're gonna do more videos with stuff. Strada's coming out, so maybe we'll get a Dujin if he's not so busy to take the M5, and we'll take Remy in the GTR and take it to the first car show. It has to be lit. And we'll drive very safe, no manual, only automatic mode. But anyways, guys, if you guys like this video, smash that like button. Bap, 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 bap. So share this, subscribe over here. We're doing more epic shit for you guys. So thank you guys for your time. Have a great day. Peace.